Mr. Raffle. I ain't got no money, bitch. Mr. Raffle. We ain't dead yet. You ain't got no balls. Yo, child. Yo, it's Hector. Mr. Raffle. Shoes expensive. Alright, baby. I gotta say, man, when I was putting these on, these are clean. They look plain Jane. That's one thing about the fires to me. I don't know about other people, that the fires in your hand sometimes look bugging. You looking like some Herman Munster shit maybe, or some other shit. But I ain't gonna lie, man. These shit is clean. these clean. Now, obviously, with white, after a while, it's gonna mess up. So, take a picture while it was nice and crispy. But yeah, they crispy, bro. These definitely lit. When I was putting it on, I was like, shit, these look nice. I'm not even front. They nice. Like, the first day you put these out, you looking nice until they get messed up. These are nice, baby. There you go. Just might step on your toe, or you do a snag and shit on the floor or whatever. Yeah, these fire, bro. I can't do too much. I ain't gonna be doing all that Tony D. Wild. Tony D. Wild make crazy money. I don't make that much money. I'm not gonna do all that. Plus my foot hurt. Respect to Tony D. Wild. I actually got a lot of little stuff from him when I was watching him. But I'm not gonna lie. I liked it. I liked everybody who made their thing. Respect to Bull RC. Respect to everybody who started up. I don't mess with these guys. I'm just saying shout out. You ain't gotta mess with me either. I'm just saying shout out because they did big in this game. You know what I mean? Damn D, Fala, Unbreakable. Unbreakable brought his two people in there, Flight, and what's the other guy name? Whatever his name is, up on there. I see he got 68,000 subs, which is amazing. Everybody coming past me. I've been there since Unbreakable, and Unbreakable got 100 and something. I got 1,000 that I had to do a lot of little subbing and all that stuff. It's crazy. But respect, dude, to everybody who made it. You know what I mean? Respect to everybody that didn't make it, like International O. Go check his thing out. That guy been there for the longest like me. Or even probably a little longer. And he still ain't even at 1,000. I tell him, if you listen to International O, go do something for subs, bro. A lot of people try to get on. For people who don't have it, sometimes you gotta do that. But this YouTube money, man, when we keep it funky with it, it blows. It's garbage. You really gotta be famous. If you're not famous, you don't get anything. Like, famous people, when they cut on their video, it'd be like 14, 13 ads, 12 ads, 11 ads. The most ads I'll get is 2. And all they worth to me, what I see is 1 cent. So you gotta get 10,000 ads played just to make $100. So this money is garbage. And then at the same token, they put a lot of restrictions for this, restrictions for that. You can't curse, can't do this. Like, they act like it's not grown-ups also. You know what I mean? Then if you press it for grown-ups, they don't want to give you the little nonsense, little money off the ad, where big companies make mad money off ads. While us, you gotta be super famous to get it. So even with them, they have to be super famous too. That's how they make it. I don't like it like that. But it is what it is. These sneakers is crispy. I like them. I didn't think I was just looking at them in my hand, like I said before, they look plain Jane. But when you start to put it on, fire. I'm out with the fire red OGs. These definitely an OG collection right here. About to go. Peace. P.S. If you 18 and over, I don't care who you vote for. Vote, man. Make your vote count. Make your vote count all the way down to the councilmen and councilwomen in your state and in your town, and make them man stop. We need to all go ahead and make them accountable. You know what I'm saying? You make it peanuts. I don't think too many people rich. So, it's $15 an hour, and that's not even everywhere. So that's garbage. Y'all need to stop. Go ahead and voting for these guys to keep going back into the Senate and the Republic, Senate and the House, and go ahead and stop making these guys go down. These guys make like almost $200,000 while they slave y'all and make us make $7 an hour, $8 an hour in certain hoods. I'm out. Peace. Go vote.